Hey, I'm Blythe Stevens. I'm an MFA and Bliss Catalyst using they, she pronouns, as well as the creator of A Blythe Coach, where I help multi-passionate creatives dance through their difficulties and take leaps of faith into lives of joy and fulfillment. Part of that work is through physical practices like dance and yoga, and some of that is through life coaching work, and all of the tools feed into one another, which will be really clear in my newest challenge that I wanted to share with you today. It is called Magic Within You, and it's being created here in the month of October, the spooky season where a lot of us are enjoying celebrating or anticipating Halloween and Thanksgiving and lots of fall stuff, a lot of transformation in the air. We've had back to school and the autumn equinox and a lot of changes in the seasons and in our habits and routines. And it might be time to tap into the magic that's actually always waiting within us to produce transformation, to produce results in our lives, whether they be physical results and building skills and strength and flexibility and balance and whatever the case may be for you, or whether you're hoping to bring some of that resilience and um, that ability to see possibilities and choose empowering outcomes into your actual life. So the yoga challenge, as I mentioned, is called Magic Within You. It will take place over the course of 4 days, and I'll have a sign up form available for you. So each day we'll be focusing on a different proto element. So the theory is a very classical theory of earth, water, fire, and air, the four sort of proto elements, all interacting and transmuting. There's constantly this process of change, of transformation in nature and, of course, in our own bodies. And if we can tap into those sort of visualizations and ideas and qualities, we're able to bring a little bit more of one of the other to any situation to balance things out. So, for example, for me, I tend to be very high energy. I identify a bit more with vata and the sort of airy, constantly moving, very energetic side of things as far as Ayurvedic yoga philosophy. So for me, often a great balancing counterpoint would be to tap into the quality of the element of earth, get really grounded and rooted and stable so that I don't feel so flighty and maybe disengaged and anxious and things like that. But maybe for you, you feel tend to feel, or especially in the season where in the northern hemisphere we're getting more hours of darkness, maybe we feel a bit sluggish and a little less sort of able to motivate and get things done. So maybe you want to explore during this season the element of fire and really warm up and get things moving inside the body. So you don't necessarily have to believe literally in these four elements, you know, composing the body. You can take whatever scientific or philosophical viewpoint you like. But I invite you to consider and to explore these four ideas, these four qualities with me in short yoga practices that I'll share with you by email each day of the 4 days of the challenge. So they'll be about 15 to 30 minutes each, and you'll have the chance to really step onto the mat or step into each of those qualities in turn with me, get a little feeling for what it's like to be in class with me online or in the studio in a yoga context, and experience some real self-awareness and transformation for yourself in just a short time. So I'm really, really excited to share with you this magic within you, sort of help you reveal to you the magic and the power that you have. I'll be walking along with you every step of the way. And I'll see you then. Looking forward to seeing you sign up and joining me there. Until then, take good care.